Good morning, everybody. I pray you had a really great weekend. So, I am here to give an update to Euro USD, and I believe I shared this trade I did about a week or so ago. If not, I'm going to be sharing it now. So, Euro USD, as you guys can see, I'm going to go over it really quick, is in a downtrend. Okay, she's been pushing down, making lower lows and lower highs. And the thing about what's going on right now is that at the moment she is in retracement mode. So let me explain what this means, okay? This is for my weekly time frame. My last lower high on the weekly was at 1.14947. The last lower low was here at 1.08049. And now what we have here is price pushing up, meaning that it's in pullback mode, okay, or pullback cycle. And so I'm hoping that price could pull back up to here around 1.13263 to stay below 1.14947. So that's what I'm in hopes for. Will it get there? I don't know. Um, when Euro USD, as it's been countering, because technically this is a counter trend trade against the natural progression of price going down. But when she counters, I noticed that she hasn't been making her full moves back up to the weekly lower highs. Instead, she's been pulling back quite a bit and then continuing down. So I don't know if this is going to be one of those things. But what I am going to be looking for is seeing if she's going to come back down to my estimation zone around 1.10 cents or $1.10 even flat and push back up. Okay, so let's see how this looks on a 4 hour time frame because I have more information there. So on the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see, you can see a little bit more clearly. Remember, as you drop down in time frames, price is not showing anything different because it's trading at the same exchange rate on every time frame. What's going on is how you decide to trade this. Okay, so with me being a swing trader, I've decided to wait for price to pull back. I'm not trading the pullback on the 4 hour. I want to see if she's going to continue to retrace back up. Okay, so on the 4 hour and her retracement mode back up, she's making retracing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so with that being said, I want to see, like I said, if price could come back to $1.10 flat or even, and if she can stay above 1.09452, I'm going to trade her back up to the previous high here at 1.11848. And then if she continues to go higher towards my estimation zone on the weekly time frame, I'm going to trade her to 1.12495. Okay. So this is just a quick, simple trade ideal. I want to see how this work out. I will be setting pending orders here, so I don't have to trigger myself into the trade automatically. I want to let my platform do it for me because I may not be able to be at my chart when the trade gets down here. Got quite a busy week this week. So this is just a quick ideal, a quick trade setup. And just to talk about stop losses, every stop loss is very personal. Okay. So I'm not here to say, oh, you have to put your stop loss here. You need your personal rules for your stop losses. But my stop loss is just going to go back down to the previous low. And that's pretty much about it. Okay. Risking 1% per trade because technically this is a counter trend trade. Once again, price overall is in a downtrend. So I am countering, I'm trading the retracement. All right. And this is when you have to have rules about how you trade continuations, how you trade retracements, and things such as that. That's all a part of your risk management plan. Your risk management plan is not just a lot size; it's how you govern your position before you enter trade, and then it's also how you enter the trade and how you manage it. Okay. So with that being said, you guys, I pray y'all have a really safe trading week. I'll update you guys later on this week on how this pair moved and how it worked out. Okay. So you guys be blessed.